What? And Sky Hero Pack. You can guess what? You look like Play-Doh.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Look on the back here.
Okay,
That's another one.
Cool.
That's it.
Oh, I saw that. Oh, thank you, Santa. Thank you.
Oh, put them in your box.
In your pile, yeah.
Well, that bucket
that's
smells
cute.
like it, but I'll tear it.
Yep, here.
And look on the back.
She's cute.
Haven loves Grammy. That must be for me.
Is that for
Yeah,
you?
no, that's from the other Grammy.
Santa didn't eat it
Which
all.
Grammy?
Your mom.
Santa didn't eat it all. That must be for
From
me.
my
Yeah, well, there's lots of houses he visits with lots of cookies.
Don't say it.
Okay, I can explain what that is.
What?
That is like a video game thing. Like, it's like your own little iPad and it has like tic-tac-toe on it and stuff. We can open it later. It's a video game thing. You'll like it.
Nice.
Does it have Minecraft?
It's got different games on it. I'll show it to you later. It's some YouTube thing that she
Oh,
bought.
Brianna.
Put it in your pile. I'll show you how to play later.
Grab the smaller red one.
Yeah.
This big one.
Yeah.
All right, get in front, Taven.
Yeah.
Get the ones in front.
Bring the wrapping paper over here, please.
Do what?
That.
Here.
No, you open that one. Bring the wrapping paper over here so we can throw it away. Kind of.
You like to take right from the bottom, don't you?
Yeah, I know. It's
Now, why don't you get the front, bud? You're going from like the back.
digging a hole.
Watch this. Bobby pull his tail up and he does that.
Oh,
look!
Oh,
I got a
cute.
Monkey Monster.
Who is that?
This is cute.
Look at it.
Is that Kasum? Kasuma?
Kasuma.
Yeah, it's Kasuma. I'm gonna go put it in my bag.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go put it in
Oh,
my
here. I guess you don't want to open.
That's it.
Okay,
I forgot about that. So
Okay,
sad.
I'll get those. I just forgot you were born.
What season is that on?
That's
Brianna?
season 3.
Another box!
There's also the
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Another box.
Okay, can I tell you this?
Yeah.
Where is it? That's Santa! Yay! What I always wanted!
Taven, do you need help?
Yay! What I always wanted!
What is it? Is that the Dominus Rex?
Yes.
I guess it rolls.
And I also want the spices. Oh, you can hear
The moonwalk? All right.
Bum, 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 bum.
Aubrey,
What
Here.
is it?
grab
Milk from the baggie.
Oh.
grab in the front there. Just grab the penguins.
It's all in my bag.
Is that to you? Does that have your name on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's from Santa. I don't see what it is.
Haven, what do you got over there, bud?
I got the ice cream truck.
The what? Oh, wow.
You're like so fair. Are you?
And
It's
And
okay.
I got this. What?
What is that?
I don't care.
I don't care. All right.
Okay,
There.
Ice cream truck. Well,
and we got to share our presents anyway.
We're going to share our presents anyway.
this is the candy.
Oh, okay. Yeah, go ahead, open
Is
it.
this a big
That's from
present?
my mom.
That's from, yeah.
Yeah.
It's, honey, it's the same thing that Taven got. You get to play tic-tac-toe on it and a whole bunch of different games. It's like a little iPad for yourself.
Plant versus
I'll show
Zombies.
you how to play later, okay?
Okay.
Plant versus brains. No way!
See that here.
Jester zombie and
after.
What's the matter?
I think that means she's happy.
He faked it like a happy.
She's anxious.
Taylor, look. Doggy, kitty.
I got the toy.
Toy. Look, the chair, the comfy chair. And a present.
They'll enjoy the toilet talking about poop all the time while
Oh,
Woody
yeah,
plays
that'll-
shotgun.
that'll be Interesting.
What's this too?
Collect them all. So we got Crazy Games and Chrome Head and the and we got the Ducky Pieces.
I got the guy at the buddy, the creeper and Heidi. I got this again. I got those. Ooh, yay!
Look at this, Daddy.
Honey, you got a bunny.
More Play vs. Zombie toy.
Daddy, I need a tissue.
Okay.